Hi guys, so we're back. Today what we're gonna be in this video we're gonna be actually adding a canvas and drawing on the display. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. And we're also gonna be using graphics. No, it's called the graphics context in JavaFx. I'm kinda in a Java mind right now. So yeah, canvas. So we're gonna create a canvas object. Canvas. Let's specify the width and height of the canvas. I'm gonna set the width and height, and then I'm gonna say root. Damn it. Let's move this down. Should create the scene after dealing with the layout first. Yeah. So yeah. I'm gonna say root.getChildren dot add. I'm gonna add a canvas. Canvas. And yeah. So if you're using NetBeans, you can just do this and you're gonna import the JavaFX scene canvas, not the auth canvas. The auth canvas is just for playing Java, but the JavaFX canvas is for the JavaFX. So we're gonna do that, and yeah. Now to actually draw, we're gonna create a graphics context object. Graphics context where GC equals to. I need to create this after the canvas. So canvas the get context. The get context 2D, and then we're just gonna import, and yeah. And what we wanna do, so let's just see if we haven't broken anything. Yes sir, we haven't broken anything. So yeah. So what we're gonna be doing now is we're gonna be simply just drawing a background. So I'm gonna say gc dot set color. No, it's fill. Set fill. Go to color. Dot. Let's go with cayenne. Set fill color dot cayenne. Why is it not working? Color cannot be converted to plain. Oh, it's auth color. Damn it. Shouldn't be auth. It should be JavaFX color. Yeah. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna say gc.fill rectangle 0 and 0 because we want to start from position 0 and 0. Width and the height. In this case, the width and the height are the same. Let's go, let's run it, and yeah. So we actually drew on the canvas today, and here. So yeah, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel, and yeah. So peace, guys. Next videos we're gonna be doing game loops. Yeah. Game loops.